we are going from a metro train, say to Gurgaon, and I tell him that you take my metro train token, I take your token. Will he have a problem? No, because both those tokens are for the metro train going to Gurgaon, right? So these assets, these items are called replaceable items or fungible items. And if we represent such items on a blockchain, it's called a fungible token. If I tell Shaurya that, hey, you take my license, my driving license, and I'll take your driving license, he won't do it because both of them are different. Or I tell him that you take my college degree and I'll take your college degree, he won't take it because we have different percentages, we have from different colleges, different courses, right? So these are called non-replaceable items or non-fungible items. And when we represent such items on blockchain with the help of tokens, those tokens are called non-fungible tokens or NFT. NFT, you would have seen that image, right? That image is a unique image. You cannot change it with any other image. So that's why it's called an NFT.